Hi everyone, it's Jean, the Inky Studio. Thank you so much for coming today. I appreciate your company. I have here a couple things that I want to share with you. And the first one is the next project that I'm working on. And as you can see, it's a Christmas journal. Probably will be the last one that I make this season. I was inspired by this digital, and this is from the Graphics Fairy, and I don't remember if it's the free site or the premium site you pay for. I would check out the free one. I'd search for Santa because somehow I think it might be there. But I loved it, and so I'm going for like a tattered look, a little bit of a grungy tattered look. So I've kind of like grunged up the edges of the layers here of the papers. And this digital paper is a different artist this time than the last time. And I chose her because she also had these plaids. And I wanted to work some plaids into the journal this time. And for the spine, I have upholstery fabric, which looks so much like burlap. So I always like, whenever I am in a fabric store, Hobby Lobby or Joann's, I'm always going into the upholstery fabric area because you just never know what you're going to find there. And this is where I found it. And it's been a while, so can't even tell you if your local one has it or not, but it might. Might have something similar to it, but it does, look a lot like burlap, but yet it's really heavy. So I'm getting ready to start filling it up and everything on the inside, and I'll be showing you as I go along what I'm doing with it. But what I wanted to also announce today is that I have my giveaway ready. And I know a few weeks ago I talked about how it was time for one, and lo and behold, we have one. Now, this is a journal that I have a tutorial on, and I think I made this like at the beginning of the year. And I listed it in my shop for a little bit, a day or so, but then I decided I wanted to use it, so I pulled it. But then I ended up doing something else, and so it's kind of been sitting there. And so I figured, it really is time to give it a home. Really, really is. It is a tall and thin journal, and it's about the size of a piece of 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that you fold the long way, so that it's long, tall, and long, and that's basically the size of it. It has a vintage doily there on the top, and it's covered with fabric. And I can't quite remember if it's over a file folder or cardstock. It's one of the two. Oh no, it might even be like a bag. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bag. Made it from a bag. That's what we did. And we just lined it with cardstock and put the fabric over it. Over here is a pocket, and I made a writing board for this, or you can use it for anything, but just a board to write on if you want to use it for that. And this is a flip up here with oh my goodness, here we go, with a pretty photograph. Now these papers and most of the ephemera is from the Graphics Fairy Premium site. And this flips up like this, and we have a nice card here for journaling. It's stuck inside that pocket, and then in these pockets down here are some more little cards. So yeah, I think almost all of this is from the Graphics Fairy Premium site. And that's in there. So it has kind of a floral, bird, spring-like kind of theme. Here is a altered paper clip you might want to use for a bookmark, some tea stain paper, a little bit of music paper, tracing. Here's an envelope. I won't take it out, but there's an envelope, a seed packet envelope with a card on the inside. I love these images on here. Another pocket with some more cute little tags. Going along here. Now you have to be 18 years and older to enter, and this is open for the US only. That's the other rule here. Here is a envelope. So pretty. Just love these images. Very nice. Here's a little booklet with a cloth spine. And here is the center. And the center has a little owl charm I like to put in my journals. And this is so cute down here. This little bird in the nest. Some more. So lots of birds, lots of roses mainly. Seed packet there with a card on the inside. Some more tags. So there's plenty of opportunities here for writing. Another envelope. Excuse me. And we come to the end with one more little booklet stuck inside there. So that is the journal. And to enter, you need to comment. You need to first of all subscribe and then comment down below, leave a comment down below. And those are the two ways that I will be drawing from that. And I am posting this on November 4th, and the drawing will be the following Monday on November the 11th. So you'll want to mark your calendar to make sure you check back on that day. If I don't get it up that day, it'll be the next day for sure. But I'm hoping everything will go well. You never know. Sometimes emergencies happen, but it will be that day or the very next day. Then I'm going to announce it. Now, if nobody claims this within a week, I'll have a second drawing on the following Monday, the 18th. So that's how that will go. So make sure you have a U.S. Address and you're older than 18 and you subscribe and comment. So that is the rules for the giveaway. So I'm really excited for this to find a home. It's been needing one for a long time. I hope you will follow along, and I will see you again really soon as we start working in the Christmas journal. Thanks for viewing. We'll talk to you later. Bye.